Welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do large numbers. So in this chapter we will going to learn about the large numbers, how to read them, how to write them, how to arrange them in place value, all this. So first we'll start with the warm-up activity. Fill my check. Nupur have received an income tax notice of rupees 2,42,348. She decided to pay it by the check. So Nupur got a income tax notice for rupees 2,42,348 and she has decided to pay it by check. The check is to be made in the name of Government of India. Help to fill the check. Don't forget to cross it. So write the date and whom to pay, amount, everything that you have to fill. Let's write one more check. Varun has received a credit card bill of rupees from his banker for rupees 1,37,585. She wanted to pay it routed to nearest 100 rupees check. The credit card account number is given here. Help her to fill the check. Don't forget to cross it. So you have to fill the check. First you will write the date. You will write the date here and whom to pay this check. That is Government of India. So you will write the name, pay, and you will write the amount here in words, and 2,42,348 you will write in numbers and then cross it. Clear? So you have learned the reading and writing of 6-digit number in the previous class. So in previous class we have learned about the reading and writing of 6-digit number. Before learning the number greater than 6-digit number, let us revise the reading and writing of 6-digit number. So first we will revise what we have learned about 6-digit number in previous class. So practice time 1.1. Write the number name. So number is given here: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. We'll put the comma. Start from the right hand side, 3-digit, then 2-digit. So number name 5,94,030. Clear? We'll write 5,94,030. Clear? Next, write the numerals. Here we have to write the numeral for each of the following. 7,03,007. So sevens, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakhs. 7 lakh, 3,000, 7. So that will be our number. Next, write the period and place value of 9 and each of the digit following. So here you can see the number 9 is here. That is at 10,000 place. So place value 90,000 and the place value is 90,000 and the period is 1000 period. Clear? Next, write the place value of the digit 6 in the following numeral. So 6 is at ones place, so place value will be 6. Clear? Next, using the digit 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Write the smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number, that will be 1, 0, then 2, 4, 5, 6. That is 1,02,456. Clear? Largest 6-digit number 654,210. 6,54,210. Clear? Next, place value of the digit. You have learned to write the place value of different digit of numeral 6-digit numbers. Similar way, you can write the place value of nth digit of the numeral 9-digit. The place value chart showing the 9 places in the Hindu-Arabic numeration given here. So this is the place value chart for 9-digit numbers. Start from the right hand side. First is ones, tens, 100, then 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. Clear? So, if we talk about the period and places, ones period have ones, tens and hundred places. Thousand we have 1000, 10,000 and lakhs 1 lakh and 10 lakh. And crores 1 crore and 10 crore. Clear? Now, we will take an example. Separate the period in the following numeral using commas. So, to separate, we know start from the right hand side, first comma after 3 digit and then 2 digits. So, this is how we will put the comma. First 3 digit, then 2, 2 like this. Clear? Next is practice time 1.2. Using commas, separate the period of the following numerals. So, we know first comma start from the right hand side after 3 digit and then after 2 digit. So, here I am writing this is how we will put the commas. Clear? Next, write the number names of the following numerals. So, we have to write the number names ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So, number name will be 4 crore, 4 crore 99 lakh 71,853. Clear? Next, write the numerals for each of the following. Now, we have to write the numerals 7 crore 5 lakh 99,000. So, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So, start from crore, 7 crore, then after that 7 crore 5 lakh, 5 lakh, then 99,000, 99,000. Clear? Next, in which period and place is the encircled digit of each of the following numerals? So, in which period and place? So, you can see. So, encircled digit is 3, that is at 10,000 place and the period will be 1000. Clear? So, this is how you will do for next questions. Clear? Next, expanded form of the numerals. The sum of the place value of all the digits of numeral, that is called the expanded form. When we write a number in the form of the sum of their place value, that is called the expanded form of given number. For example, write the place value of the digit of numeral. So, numeral is given here, we have to write its place value. So, first we will write the number like this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So, our number is 45 crore 9 lakh 78,321. Now, we will write its place value. 1 is at 1's place, so place value will be 1. 2 at 10's place, so place value will be 20. 3 at 100 place, so place value will be 300. 8 at 1000 place, 8,000 place value. Then 7 at 10,000 place, so 70,000. 9 at lakhs place, so place value 9 lakh. 0 at 10's place, 10 lakhs place. Then 5 at crores place, so place value will be 5 crore and then 4 at 10 lakh crore position, so 40 crore. Clear? Next, we will take an example. Write the numeral in an expanded form. So, here in the numeral is given, we have to write in expanded form. So, our number is 69 crore 57 lakh 43,218. So, we will write in expanded form, that is 60 crore, then 9 crore, then 50 lakh, then 7 lakh plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 8. This is how we will write in expanded form. Next, practice time 1.3. Write the following number in place value chart. So, first we have to arrange the number in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digit numbers. So, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 8, 9, 5, 1. This is how we will arrange the number. Clear? Next, write the following number in place value chart and hence write the place value of 5 in each number. So, first we will arrange the given number in place value chart as we have done earlier. We have to write the place value of 5. 5 is at 1000 place, so place value will be 5000. Clear? Next, write the place value of the encircled digit. So, here we have to write the place value of 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 50 lakh. So, that will be the place value of encircled digit. Next, write the place value of the digit 2 in each of the following numerals. So, 2 we can see 2 is at 1000 place. So, place value will be 2000. Clear? Next, write each of the following numeral in expanded form. So, we have to write the given numeral in expanded form. First, we will arrange the given numeral in place value chart. So, that then it will be easy for us to write in expanded form. So, how will we write? After 1, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we place 8, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus. So, now expanded form will be 10 crore plus 2 crore plus 3 lakh, 30 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 9. That will be the expanded form of given numeral. Next, write each of the following in standard form. So, here the number is given in expanded form, we have to write in standard form. So, that will be 6040745. So, a number will be 40 crore 60 lakh 40,745. Next, international place value chart. We have learned about the Indian place value chart. Now, we will learn about the international place value chart. The system you have learned, that is called the Hindu-Arabic system of numeral of Indian system of numeration. In Europe, the system of numeration used is called the international system of numeration. So, this is the international place value chart. Here you can see first period of ones, that include ones, tens and 100. Then the period of 1000, it includes 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then the period of million, that includes 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So, you can see in Indian place value chart, first period is of 3 digit and then 2 digit. But in international system of numeration, first period ones that contain 3 digits, 1000 period also have 3 digits, million have 3 digits. Clear? Names of the period and place from the right to left. So, this is the period. Ones period include ones place, tens and 100 place. Then thousands, that include 1000 place, 10,000 and 100,000. Million, that include 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Next is comparison between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now, we will see what is the difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Here you can see the place value chart for the both. This is the place value chart for Indian system of numeration and this is international system of numeration. So first start from the ones, tens, then 100, then 1000 and this is 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh that is equals to 100,000, 10 lakh that is equals to 1 million, then 1 crore that is 10 million and 1 crore that is equals to 10 million and 10 crore that is equals to 100 million. So above place value chart of the two system of numeration, we show that 100,000 that is equals to 1 lakh, 1 million that is equals to 10 lakh and 10 million that is equals to 1 crore. Now I will take an example. Using commas, separate the period based on the international system of numeration. We know in international system of numeration, every period is of 3 digit. So start from the right hand side, place comma after every 3 digit. So this is how we'll write the number. Clear? Next is practice time 1.4. Separate the period based on the international system of numeration. So we have to separate and put the commas according to international system of numeration. So first we'll write the number. Start from the right hand side, first comma, second comma. Clear? Next, write the number name for each of the following numeral based on the international system of numeration. So first we'll write the number. So we know in international system, first period is of ones, then thousand and then million. So 770 million, 779,900. Clear? This is the period of million, this is the period of million, this is period of thousand and this is period of ones. So 770 million, 779,900. Clear? Next, write the numeral for each of the following numbers. Now we have to write the numeral. Number names is given 407 million. So we'll write 407 million and we'll put the comma. Then 322,000, comma 109. That will be the numeral for given number names. Clear? Next, write the number name of the following number in international system of numeration. So 29 crore, 37 lakh, 5,209. So first we'll write the number 29 crore, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So our number is 29 crore, 37 lakh, 5,209. So in international system, how we'll read it? This is how we'll place the comma according to international system. So this period is million, 293,705,209. Clear? Next, estimation or rounding of number. Now we will learn how to estimate the number or round of the number. Sometimes we cannot calculate the exact number of things such as the population of city, visitor at the tourist place, etc. In such case, we give an approximate count of the number. This is called the estimation. So sometimes what happens? We cannot give the exact number because the number is very large or some other reason. So there we give some idea that is near to that number. So that is known as approximation or estimation. Clear? Estimation means just an idea to guess the number, not exact number. It could be more than that or less than that. In previous class, we have learned about the rounding of numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000. Let us revise in brief. First is rounding of to nearest tens. Let us make the two number 34 and 57 on the number line. So, if we see these numbers on the number line, we see that 34 lies between 30 and 40. Which two tens? 30 and 40, but it is nearer to 30 because it lies in the first half. So, it is near to 30. So, 34 is written as 30 in the rounding of the nearest tens. Whereas, if we talk about the 57, it lies between 50 and 60, but is more near to 60. So, it will be round off to 60. Now, rules. Rule number 1. If the ones place digit is less than 5, replace the ones place digit by 0 and keep the other digit as they are shown in the above example. Rule number 2. If the ones digit is 5 or more than 5, what will do? We will replace the digit at ones place by 0 and increase the tens place digit by 1. Clear? Next, rounding off the number to nearest 100. So, the rules for rounding off the number to nearest 100, we will look at the digit at tens place. If the tens place digit is less than 5, we will replace the digit at tens and ones place by 0 and keep the other digit as they are. There is no change. For example, in the given number 1342, the digit at tens place is 4, which is less than 5. So, what we will do? We will replace the digit at tens and ones place by 0 and there is no change in other digit. So, it will round up to 1300. Rule number 2. If the tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, we will increase the 100 place digit by 1 and replace the other digit. It like the digit at tens and ones place by 0. For example, in the given number, the tens place digit is 8, which is more than 5. So, what we will do? We will round off it. So, the digit at 100 place will increase by 1. So, round off to 76,300. Clear? Next, rounding off to nearest 1000. So, nearest 1000, we will see the digit at 100 place. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, so we will replace the digit at 100 tens and ones place by 0 and there is no change in other digit. For example, in this number, the digit at 100 place is 2. So, what we will do? Which is less than 5. So, we will replace the digit at 100 tens and ones by 0 and there is no change in other digit. Clear? If the 100 place digit is 5 or more than 5, so we will increase the digit at 1000 by 1 and replace the other digit like 100 tens and ones by 0. For example, here the digit at 100 place is 5. So, we will increase the digit at 1000 place by 1 and replace the digit at 100 tens and ones by 0. Clear? Next, similarly, this method is applicable to round off the number to nearest 1000, 10,000, lakhs place also. So, similar rule we will apply when we are rounding off to number to nearest 1000, 10,000, lakh and so on. Next, estimating sum and difference. Now, we will learn how to find out the estimated sum and difference. Estimation play an important role in our day-to-day life. We make estimate for homes. Mr. Verma is making the budget for home. So, he need rupees 7,565 for food item, 5,135 for house rent, 4,283 for children education, 3,248 for the clothes and 5,816 for the other expenses. Now, she quickly estimated that 7,565, so round off to 7,600 or 7,600. 5,135, that is 5,100. 4,283, 4,300. 3,248, that is 3,200. And 5,816, that is 5,800. So, total estimated budget, that is rupees 26,000. But the actual budget is 26,047. So, estimated budget is very close to the actual budget. Thus, we can conclude the estimated make our calculation easier and faster. Now, we'll take an example. Estimate the following sum: 6,532 and 7,359 to nearest 100. So, first we'll round off the number to nearest 100. So, in first number, we have to round off to nearest 100. So, we'll look at the digit at tens place. Here the digit at tens place is 3. So, there is no change in digit at 100,000 place, and the digit at ones and tens place will be replaced by 0. So, it will round off to 6,500. 7,359 round off to 7,400. Now, we will add them together. So, that is equals to 7,400 plus 6,500, that is 13,900. That is our estimated sum. Clear? So, this is how we will find out the estimated sum. Next, estimated product and quotient. Similar way, we can find out the estimated product and quotient also. For example, estimate the product of 738 and 976 to nearest 100. Nearest 100, that means we have to see the digit at tens place. So, 738 first will round off to nearest 100. So, that will be 700. And 976, that will be round off to 1000. Now, we will multiply them, 1000 into 700. So, that is equals to 7 lakh. That is equals to 7 lakh. That is our estimated product. Clear? Next is practice time 1.5. Estimate the following sum to nearest 1000. Nearest 1000 means we have to see the digit at 100 place. Here it is 3 and here it is 8. So, it will be round off to 4000, and next 4, next is 91600. Now, we will add them together, 000, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 3, 14,30,000. That is our estimated sum. Next is estimate the following sum to nearest lakhs. Means we will see the digit at 10,000 place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Here it is 6. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So, plus that will be now we'll add them together and find the sum. That is our estimated sum. Next, estimate the following difference to the nearest 100. Nearest 100, same way, same rule will apply. Nearest 100, that means we will see the digit at tens place. Here it is 3 and here it is 2. So, nine zeros. Now we'll find the difference 0, 0, 0, 8, 14 minus 9. That is 5. 1, 2. That is our estimated difference. Clear? Next, estimate the following difference to nearest 10,000. Same way, same rule will apply. We will see the digit at 1000 place. If it is 5 or more than 5, we will increase the digit at 10,000 place by 1 and rest of the digit like 1000, 100, tens and ones, that will be 0. So same rule we will apply and find the difference. Next is estimate the following product to nearest hundreds. So first the same rule will apply. Here we will find the product. So to estimate or round off to nearest hundred, we will see the digit at tens place. So it will, and here the digit at tens place is 6, which is more than 5. So that is equals to 5200. Now we will multiply them and find the product. So that is equals to clear. Next is estimate the following product to nearest 1000. So first we will round off the number to nearest 1000 and then we will find the product. That will be the estimated product. Next is estimate the following quotient to nearest 100. So first what we will do, first we will round off the number to nearest 100. So first number, that will be, and we will divide it by, clear? So first we will round off the number and find their quotient, clear? So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is Roman numbers. We have learned two systems of numeration, Hindu-Arabic system of numeration and international system of numeration. So there is another system of numeration, that is Roman numeration. This is one of the oldest system of numeration. This system was developed by the Romans. Roman symbols can seen on the dial of clock, numbering on the question, etc. So here you can see the Roman numbers on a clock. So in Roman numbers we use different symbols to represent the number. There are 7 basic symbols to write any numeral. So these are the Roman numeral and these are Hindu-Arabic. I represent 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, L is for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Clear? K is also used for 1000. We also use K for 1000. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numerals. If the bar is placed over the Roman symbol, that means it is considered to multiply by 1000. So V, if we place bar on it, that means 5 multiplied by 1000, that is 5000. X, if we place bar on it, that means 10 multiplied by 1000, that is 10,000. There are some rules to write the Roman numerals. Rule number 1. If the symbol repeat the numeral, that means the addition of symbol. If any symbol is repeated, that means it get added. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. Only L, X, C and M can be repeated. V, L and D never repeated. For example, I. The symbol I is repeated 3 times. So value will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. X 3 times means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Common mistakes, V, 5 plus 5 plus 5, but we know we never repeat the symbol V. Clear? So that is false. Next, rule number 2. If the smaller symbol is written on the right of the larger symbol, that means the addition of the smaller to larger symbol. For example, VII. So the smaller symbol is written to the right of the larger symbol, that means value will be added. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 8. Rule number 3. If the smaller symbol is written to the left of larger symbol, that means value will be subtracted. IX, 10 minus 1, that is 9. V, L and D never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. So these things we have to keep in our mind while we are writing Roman numerals. Rule number 4. When the smaller symbol is placed between the two larger symbols, where the smaller symbol is placed between two larger symbols, then it is subtracted from the larger symbol and immediately following it. Like for example, XIX. So the smaller symbol I, that is between two larger symbol X and X. So, the value will be subtracted from the symbol that is next to it. So, 10 plus 10 minus 1, that is equals to 19. Clear? Now, we will take an example. Express each of the following as Roman symbol. 45. So, 45, that is 40 plus 5. Clear? 40 we can write 50 minus 10. So, that is equals to XL and V, that is 45. Next is practice time 1.6. Fill in the box with greater than, less than or equal to. So, here this number XVII, VII, that is for 7 plus 10. X is for 10, so number is 17 and this is 40. 17 is less than 40, so we will use symbol less than. Next, write T for the true and F for the false. V can be repeated 2 times, that is false. We know V cannot be repeated. Next, express each of the following as Roman symbol. 475. So, for 400, D is for 500, and if we subtract 100 from it, it becomes 400. So, that is for 400. Now, 75. L is for 50, 60, 70 and this is 5. This is how we will write the number. Clear? 400 plus 70 plus 5, we can break the number and we can write. Next, express each of the following Roman symbols as Hindu numerals. CD, CD, that is for 400. XIV, X is for 10 and IV for 4, that means 14. So, 414. So, practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is revision exercise. So, in this exercise, there are questions which we have done earlier. The concept we have done earlier, the questions are based on that. So, these questions are for your practice. Do practice all the questions. This will help you to understand the chapter well. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct answer. The numeral for 82,328,642. 82 million. 82 million. Then 328,000. 328,642. 642. 82,328,642. So, option B is the correct answer here. Practice all the questions. Next is mathematics. Write the number names for both the system of numeration. So, here the number so first start with the Indian system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 10 crore. So, that is 45 crore, 67 lakh, 891. That is according to Indian system. Now, international system. So, 456,700,891. That is according to international system of numeration. Clear? So, practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now, to practice it.